Be careful.
Why?
Careful for the cell phone. It will fall down into the ground. It will get broken. Your cell phone. Oh, Daddy.
Careful, Daddy.
Okay.
Don't touch it, Daddy.
Okay.
Don't touch your cell phone.
Okay. Do you like the fish? When we go home to the Philippines, we will use our hands when we eat. Do you want to go home to the Philippines?
There's kidney.
Saan kuha ng kidney man?
Hala, nak. That's good. This is a fish bone. You have to be careful, huh?
When there's a bone.
Check if there's fish bone. Then you don't eat it.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy.
It will stuck in your throat and then you will cry.
Ow.
See?
Careful, Daddy. I said. Yes. Mommy, I'm so thirsty. I want water. I want that one.
That mommy water. You check the fish, huh? If there's bone. Do you like the fish?
Yeah.
This is called pinaksyo. Can you say pinaksyo?
Next.
And
Good.
that is galunggong.
You say galunggong.
Can you say galunggong? It's tasty.
You eat like eat
Okay.
like this, and then bite,
Like that.
like Jonah in the belly of the fish. The fish bite Jonah.
May appreciation
Of
dahil.
the belly of the fish. You know the story of Nineveh. The people stuck in the water
Why?
Because?
because they came out to the river.
No. Then what happened?
They dropped.
What happened?
They sucked their clothes and then put on top. That's the story of Jonah.
What did Jonah do in Nineveh? What did he do there?
He do and sinning, and they're running and running. The girl and boys running and scratching and crashing.
And then did Jonah do something for them because they keep on sinning?
Yeah.
What did Jonah do?
Jonah go to the Nineveh and then suck their clothes. Mommy, I will find my.
Oh, you want more fish?
Mommy,
Oh, you finish your rice. So wait lang, don't remove. Okay, you need to finish your rice.
you will wash my hands.
Yeah, I will
Yeah,
wash
later.
because it will be very smelly. You smell your hands. It smells like fish. You like it?
I love the smell.
It's
What
called.
happened after your story?
Oh, you tell now. You continue the story of Nineveh. You check the fish if there's fish bone. Oh, you tell the story now. You know that is the story of our lesson today in our Sabbath school. It's about Jonah in the belly of the fish. Because Jonah ran away.
Jonah run away.
He ran away from God. Where did he go first? He didn't go to Nineveh first. He went to where is it, Daddy?
Tarsus.
Tarsus. It's called Tarsus. But then there was a storm. You remember in the story? There was a strong storm that their boat is sinking. And then what did Jonah say to the people?
Go to Nineveh.
He said that they will throw him to the... And then did the storm stop when they throw Jonah to the sea?
Yeah.
Mm.
And Jesus, did you see in my video?
What is it in your video?
I read in the Bible because go to Nineveh, the angel said. I read in the Bible next time.
Okay.
And Yana said, go to Nineveh. And then they stacked their clothes.
They put on
the sackcloth.
sackcloth.
The angel said.
The angel said what?
The angel said, go to Nineveh. And then be strong and follow. The angel said.
Be strong and
follow God. Let's have this on my tummy again.
Oh, you finished now your food.
Come on, eat.
You eat first.
Just more fish.
Or you eat the rice.
You eat the rice like this,
Look at daddy. Oh, this is how he eat the rice. Look. Look. You put your hand in your mouth like that, and then you lean forward on your plate. That's it. Good job. Yana could go to the Philippines now because people in the Philippines use their hand when they eat. Some. Not all. But in our house, we usually use our hands. Oh no, there's a fish bone.
Well, you remove it. Give it to mommy.
Okay. Baby, give it to me. Careful. Check the fish first. Check the fish first. You want the ano? There's still one more ice candy for Yana.
Here, I'm a winner.
Okay, you finish. Dali. Okay, you will be the winner. But slowly and surely. Daddy's not finished yet. Daddy is slowly.
Oh no, Daddy's a loser.
Is this a fish bone?
It's alright. It's okay. It's not a blue bone.
Okay.
We're eating in the house. The people is happy. Satan is happy.
No.
Satan is not happy.
Satan is our enemy.
He's happy when you do bad things.
He's happy if you will not listen to mommy, if you're pushing your friends, if you don't share your toys and your food. He's happy. You want Satan to be happy? No. We want Jesus to be happy. So, what would you do? What would you do to make Jesus happy?
I play with my friends and
Share.
My foods
And then what else?
And sharing my
Toys.
My teddy bear toys.
And then are you going to push?
No.
No. That's good, no? Almost finished off. You will be the winner.
That is a loser.
It's okay. it's also nice to be a loser sometimes.
We will be a loser.
Yeah, it's okay. Jesus will make us the winner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Daddy is the loser.
Okay. That's okay. Daddy's not sad to be a loser. Open your mouth.
Daddy is the loser.
Only to Yana.
No, I'm not the loser. I'm a good girl. Satan
Okay.
will not be happy.
Yeah. If you're a good girl, Satan will not be happy. Okay? Because Satan is our enemy. Daddy, open your mouth now. This is the last one. I think Yana is so... Daddy finished. Daddy finished. But I will still give you that ice candy. Oh no, Daddy will eat ice candy.
Mommy!
Daddy will give it to you because Daddy loves you. Daddy's kind. Uy, kain ka mo watermelon. We have watermelon here. And we have...
Opo.
Mommy, can you put
In
in
magic word.
please, Mommy?
Wait lang. Wait lang. Don't remove your big mouth. Kasi you will get wet.